Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to make some flaming hot dogs. We got some flaming hot Cheetos, of course. We got the plant-based stadium hot dogs. Got 2 keto buns. I got some 0 sugar baked beans. I got some plant-based mayo, and I got a hot pickle. But yeah, y'all, so once I get everything prepped up, I will see you guys in the next clip. Now I'm gonna show you this part, how I'm gonna make the flaming hot dogs. I just grilled these hot dogs on my little electric grill over there. So now I'm gonna, since my spatula won't fit down in my, wait, you know what? No, I'm not gonna force it. I'll just put some mayo on the spatula like this and get those nice and coated with the mayo. I should have just put it in a bowl, but yeah, it's gonna look a little sloppy, y'all, but don't worry about it, it's gonna be good. Gonna get the mayo all nice and coated on there. Don't worry about it being perfect, y'all. We're just gonna go ahead and get this nice and coated on the hot dog. Yeah, we want it all on there, all on there. All right, y'all. Look a little messy, but don't worry about that, like I said. So now I took my Ninja and I grinded up the Flaming Hot Cheetos. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some on the top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and roll it in the rest of the Flaming Hot Cheetos, y'all. You do it how you want to do it. I do it how I want to do it. I trust the process. Yeah, I should have let the hot dogs cool down just a little bit more, because I got that plant-based I got the mayo on there, so it's not sticking. But yeah, anyway, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting this done for you guys, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I just finished making the flaming hot dogs. Y'all, I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but I think it's gonna be good, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a 360. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. And we're gonna go ahead and dive right into it, y'all. And then bless my food. All right, y'all, so I got the hot pickle. I got the plant-based hot dog with the flaming hot Cheetos. And I made some cheese sauce. And that's like a jalapeno cheese sauce. I made that, and then I put, you know, just dressed it up with a little bit of jalapenos on the top. And it's a good thing I'm eating this right now, y'all, because I be having heartburn, like. But I just want to jump on here and show y'all this right here. But ooh, hold on, y'all, hold on. Let me get it. Y'all want the first bite? Here. All right, y'all, let's go. Oh my. That's good. That's good right there, y'all. Flaming hot dog. Oh. Don't knock it till you try it. Come on. Oh my God. Oh. Y'all, something about when that pickle hit. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is definitely a must try. Mmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That's it right there, y'all. I don't know if y'all ever tried these zero sugar baked beans, but I'm trying to tell y'all, they slim. Like it till you try it. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I think I'm on to something, y'all. And if y'all try it, please let me know in the comments. Give me some credit. Give me some credit. Oh my God. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. That's good. I didn't got none of these baked beans. Oh God. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell y'all. That's good. Y'all never see me, well, not eat all, but finish something in any one of my videos. But that right there, I'm gonna say the other one for later. But yeah, y'all, this is a definitely must try. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Always remember, if ain't no love in it, don't do it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to let me know if you tried this, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, this, when I tell y'all this is fire, it is actually fire. It's spicy, but it's fire. All right, you guys, I'm out.